Bridge, over.
MB Ocean Breeze, this is port control. Go ahead, over.
Port control, MB Ocean Bridge. Request the permission to enter the port. We are currently on the position of 54 degrees and 30 minutes north, 12 degrees and 45 minutes east, over.
Port Authority, MB Ocean Breeze, port control permission granted. Proceed to anchorage area, Alpha, and await further instruction, over.
Port control, MB Ocean Bridge, proceeding to anchorage to area Alpha, please confirm coordinates, over.
MB Ocean Breeze, port control coordinates for anchorage area. Alpha are 54 degrees, 32 minutes north, 12 degrees, 50 minutes east, over.
Port control, MB Ocean Bridge, coordinate or confirm estimated time of arrival of anchorage area Alpha is 15:30 UTC, over.
MB Ocean Breeze, port control. Roger that. Stand by on VHF channel 16 and wait for further instructions, over.
Port control, MB Ocean Bridge, standing by on VHF channel 16, over.